Good morning to all of you. You all are welcomed in my YouTube channel. I have uploaded a loads of the video earlier, and all video contain a loads of good information. Definitely, all that information are very important to each and every people, either belonging in different sector or the same sector of life. Today also the video which I want to upload here, it also contain a loads of information, and that information is very useful, usable, and may come in our everyday life. Today I want to discuss how the life of the people come in hell. Generally, hell is a very hateful word, and if the people think about the hell, definitely first he fear from the hell and try to balance themselves so that they do not come near to the hell. In religious book, this word is also discussed, and on the basis of religion we can say that hell is the effect of bad work. When the people change one format of life to another format, then the effect of bad works, bad activity, and the result of bad activity, what one do in one format of life definitely get in other format of life. These types of things are discussed in religious book about the hell. But today I want to discuss about the hell or effect of the hell which we get everything in my current life, in my present life. Here hell means difficulties, adversities, sorrow, misfortune. Life is full of disease, dishonor. These types of things enclosed come in the boundary of hell. These types of things enter into our life through the lust, anger, and greed. These are the three gates through which these types of things which lead our life to the hell enter into our eye, enter into our thought and life. We can think ourselves, we can feel ourselves if we are in a state of anger, greed, lust for anything. Definitely we are not in a state to do anything good. We also not in a state to think anything good. It means if you are unable to think anything good, definitely we cannot do anything right. We always think one-sided. We always think everything on the base of our benefit. Either someone may come in harm, damages, but we want to fulfill our desire. Definitely anger, greed and lust is a very hateful things, and it can spoil the life of a person. If a man practice this thing for a long time, definitely these things change into their habit, and after a few years of practice we can think that that kinds of the person definitely think that their good relation now broken down. They become the prey of lots of different kinds of diseases. They are not having confidence on themselves. Their hard-earned money is oftenly constantly goes on recurring of different kinds of diseases. But that kinds of the person already have covered a long distance. From there there is no any path to come back and reform everything what they done, because time has already been gone wasted, and there is a they are having the very short time remaining to do everything right. So it become quite impossible to come back if one do the practice for a long time. So there are three gates. There are three gates in our life through which lust, greed, and anger entered into our life. And these types of the person oftenly spend sleepless night, live in tension, stress, and also having a lots of different kinds of diseases. Some common diseases I can count here, like diabetes, high blood pressure, problem related to heart, kidney, lungs, arthritis problem, eyesight problem, and many different kinds of the problem. Bones in the body of the person, in the life of the person who practice these types of things for a long time. So if you want to live peaceful, happy, cheerful and prosperous life, we must have to give up these three things like lust, anger and greed, and we close the door which are also which are name given to lust, greed and anger permanently in our life. We must not allow, we must not open the gate so that these three things never get a chance to enter in our body, in our life also. Then the life now become prosperous and we can enjoy the real pleasure of life, and we realize also everything, and we know our purpose for what we have taken our life on this earth. We can restore our honor, prestige, face value in society. We can also get cured from the different kinds of diseases automatically. There is no need to spend money, hard-earned money, to get cure of the different kinds of diseases. We live healthy life if I live these three things. In short, we can say that these things are open the all which leads to the hell. God has given the wonderful life, wonderful body, and a lots of the external and internal organs in our body. That organs are very important, very costly, and if they are healthy, definitely we spend the healthy life. We can bond the positive, productive thoughts, and we can do everything what we want to have, what we want to do in our life. We all are surrounded with the basic problems, basic needs, and for supply of the needs we have to do work. But our works are different because we are having the different sources of income. But it doesn't mean we follow the shortcut route, we follow the illegal way of earning, and these happen when these three things or the three gates are opened in our life. If these three gates are closed permanently, then what kinds of work we belongs to? Definitely there we pay our whole heart, whole energy, and we do there everything honestly, perfectly, At that place, we deal with other fairly, we never tell lie, we do everything what is good for the others. And by doing this, if there become the some losses, we easily bear it, we never mind it, and we never come in problem if we loses something, because we are having the deep self confidence, we are having the confidence to manage every losses in coming days. So we do not need to repent for the losses, for the damages. On the other hand, we can also say that if we practice honesty, sincerity, fair dealing, truth, punctuality, hard working, definitely we are also in a state to produce the spiritual energy, which are really most needful nowadays. These are as needed as the food, air, cloth and shelter, because the different form of the God are spread all around us, and we need to get some energy from the different kinds of the God, from the different forms of the God. And this can be happen when we close the three gates like lust, anger and greed permanently from our life, and begin to make the practice of honesty, hard working, fair dealing, true dealing, truth speaking, and think everything right, not only for ourselves but for other self. Definitely I think one can get the good lesson, good idea from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment along with the topics and idea about which you want to know more and more. Definitely I shall try my best to consider all the topics, all your ideas, all your comment sent by you in my next video, and definitely that video will reach you first if you subscribe this video. Okay, thank you.